Are you looking for an Arch-Based Linux distro? Today we are having a look at Garuda Linux. We're also having a look at EndeavourOS. We want to know which one is the better option for you as an individual and what features they actually offer. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it. Alright, so we're jumping into Garuda Linux now, and it's a very high performance Arch-based Linux distro. You can discover the perfect fusion of cutting-edge performance and user-friendly design that's revolutionizing the Linux gaming experience altogether. So it is performance tuned with its Zen kernel. It's optimized for responsiveness and gaming, delivering superior speed and stability even on older hardware systems. The GUI installer, the Garuda Assistant, and the Garuda Gamer simplifies your setup and your system management for all types of users. And it has automatic backups with rollback capabilities, which ensure system stability and effortless recovery from any issues. It has more than 12 options, including KDE, DR460, NZ, GNOME, XFCE, and gaming-focused editions that are tailored to diverse user preferences. And it's always up to date with the latest software and security patches from Arch repositories and chaotic AUR. The last thing over here is their market advantages and their unique selling points. So it is gaming optimized and it's straight out of the box. It's got pre-installed apps like Steam, Lutris, Wine, Proton, GE, and performance tweaks that make it the ultimate choice for Linux gamers seeking that seamless gameplay straight out of the box. It has a modern, vibrant theme like the KDE DR460, NISD, and the Mocha, which provide quite an attractive, highly customizable user experience that really does stand out. It has active international development teams and a responsive user community, which ensures continuous improvement and reliable assistance. And it combines Arch's flexibility with ease of use, lowering the barrier to entry for new Linux users while still giving satisfying power users. It also has rapid adoption among gamers and Linux enthusiasts, positioning Garuda as the leading Arch-based distro as of 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, EndeavourOS is a lightweight Arch-based Linux experience. So you can discover the perfect balance between Arch Linux's power and user-friendly accessibility with EndeavourOS. It's designed for enthusiasts who want cutting-edge technology without the complexity. Some of their features include a fact that it's built on Arch Linux, and it delivers a near vanilla experience with the robust foundation that you can trust, enhanced with thoughtful user-friendly touches, and it really makes a difference. It features an intuitive graphical installer that transforms the traditional complex Arch installation into a streamlined, accessible process. You can choose from your default XFCE, KDE, Plasma, or GNOME, as well as other environments to match your workflow preferences perfectly. You can see that the benefits and advantages include harnessing Arch's legendary power and flexibility while still remaining approachable for users transitioning from other distributors. You can benefit from an active, supportive community offering comprehensive forums, detailed documentations, and responsive help channels. You can start with a minimal, lightweight foundation and then build your perfect system exactly how you envisioned it. So of course, ladies and gentlemen, these Linux distros are both amazing. However, the takeaway is to really go and explore them for yourselves and see what really talks to you. If this video was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.